One of the most common mistakes I see traders make when using doji candles is misinterpreting their meaning. A doji candle is a special type of candlestick that has a very thin body with long wicks on both sides. It's essentially the market's way of saying, I'm not sure where I want to go next. Now, here's where many traders go wrong. Imagine the market is in a downtrend and suddenly a green doji candle appears. Excitedly, many traders assume this means an instant reversal is about to happen, so they jump into a long trade without a second thought. But that's not how doji candles work. A doji does not automatically signal a reversal. It's simply an indication of indecision. Buyers and sellers are battling it out, and the market hasn't made up its mind yet. While it's true that strong price movements often follow a doji, these moves can go in either direction, not just up. This is why blindly entering a trade just because you see a green doji can lead to unnecessary losses. So, what's the right way to use a doji candle? Instead of impulsively entering a trade the moment you see a doji, take a step back and wait for confirmation. If the next candle breaks above the high of the doji, then you have a stronger signal to enter a long trade. If the next candle breaks below the low of the doji, then it could signal a continuation of the downtrend. This small adjustment in your trading approach can make a huge difference. By waiting for confirmation, you filter out false signals, avoid unnecessary risks, and improve your overall trade accuracy. Trading is all about patience and discipline. The best traders don't just react, they observe, analyze, and only take action when the right conditions are met. So next time you see a doji, don't rush in. Wait for confirmation and trade with confidence.